If you want something like this, or this, or this, then you're on the right video. Game day is around the corner and you need a flyer that screams team spirit and captures everyone's attention. No design skills? No problem because Canva got you in all of this. So Canva offers a lot of templates that actually uses football and you can use it as a football flyer. So whether it's your local league, a school match, or a Super Bowl party, we'll show you how to whip up professional grade football flyers in just minutes. So grab your playbook or laptop and let's turn your vision into reality. No huddle required. Kick off your design journey now, and here's the victory starting right now. So to do that, we need to click onto this create design option. Now in here, it will show you a lot of design ideas like education, documents, and a lot more. For this one, let's click onto the search bar and we can head over and then just choose poster. Alternatively, you can also just click onto the poster that we already have right here. It has a specified design for that. Let's click onto this poster option. And then once we have done that, it will create in here first a particularly blank design. Don't worry because they will also suggest you some templates for that poster. For this one, just click on design and click onto this search bar. Now for this, just search in here for football. So let's search for football right here. Now once you have done that, it will actually show you some templates already. So does this look familiar? Yes, it is because it's something similar to this one. So it's already giving us really cute and really engaging battle spirit football posters. So for this one, just choose which template you want to actually edit and apply. So we have in here a lot of options. So just choose which one you want to actually use. For this one, I really like how this one turns out as well as this one. So if you want, you can also just click on one of them and then you can add them right here. Alternatively, you can click onto this add page and then you can add another design onto this one. For example, let's add another, which is this game day, and as you can see, it's been added. We have in here two templates that we can utilize. So we still need to edit this out. So for example, you can click onto the background and you can click onto this color option. Now for this one, you can change up the background of your own poster and you can actually change it to your liking. So this right here actually uses a photo background. You can also do that. So you can click onto this particular design. You can try to click on your alt one and then you can see the layers available to this design. So you can also click onto any part of the page, right click on there. And then after that, you can scroll down and you should be able to see some layers option. Here's layers and click onto the show layers. And we can see in here the layers that we have available. So for this one, we have in here this background and we also have in here this sort of shadow thing. So we have in here the players. So if you want to make a football flyer for your own team, you just need to upload in here your own team. So I'll head over and upload my own team right here. In order to upload your own team, you first need to remove this team that we have right here. Click onto this delete right here and then click onto this upload option and click onto this upload files. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the pictures. So just choose in here the picture that you want to use. So I'll choose in here the picture for our own file or for our own theme. So here it is. Click on open and then click on got it. So as you can see, it's been uploaded now. What we need to do is we need to remove the background. To remove the background, you can utilize the background remover of Canva itself. So click on the image and in here you can see this picture remover. Click on that and it will remove the background for this particular picture. So just wait a few seconds and as you can see, it's been removed. What we need to do next is we can head over and then resize it to our liking. So let's resize it into something like this. Now, once you have done that, you can also have the option to change up what this have right here. So we have champion. So for example, let's put in here women and let's choose in here as well this champion. So as you can see, I can actually click it because it's below the layers. You click onto the three dots, click on layer, and then click on show all layers. Let's just click onto this champion from in there and let's drag it right around there as well. Let's choose champion. So here's our champion right here. Just head over and then click on that in order to add it all together. So when you click on it, you should be able to edit it out. Let's put in here, run the world. As you can see, I have inputted that now. So just head over and position the girl right here in order to make this something like this. Now we have this one, but as you can see, it's still looking similar with what we have earlier. So we need to change up some things like the background. Now, in order to change the background, you need to make sure that you have a very good background to replace that with. Head over right here to your elements. Let's search in here for football field. Let's search for that. And then from in there, head over to your photos. And we have in here some photos option. So let's choose this one right here. And then once it's been added, just right click on it, scroll down and click on this replace background. Now as you can see, this is what it looks like. So it doesn't have the blue tint anymore because it's not a blue background. But as you can see, it's actually been added right here already. Now the next thing to do is to just change up the text that has been added right here as well as some championships and something like this one. So let's put in right here, sign up now. Now, this first poster has now been completed. Now let's head over to our next poster. We have in here something like this. So what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here what we want to use. So it's actually really easy. You just need to change up the images that we have right here into your own theme. So for example, let's add the girl that we have earlier. Let's click on our elements, or let's go over to our upload and let's add the girl in here again. Now what we can do is we can just drag it right here. Now as you can see, the girl has been added. Now what we can do is we can long press right here or click on it again or double click and then just drag it into position where it will be visible right here. Now for this one, let's head over right here again into our uploads and then let's add in here the girl again. And then let's utilize the BG remover as well. Now for this one, we just need to resize it in order to make sure that we have the most particular part of it right here. So we have in here this. Now you can head over and then change up the text that has been added in here. So we have in here American football tournament, game day. So for example, you can change it up into anything that you want. So for example, let's put in here girls day. And then once we have done that, you can input right here the themes and then the actual date of that particular tournament. It will serve as your flyer in order to actually invite people to go to the game. Next thing that we need to do there is to just head over and then go right here and then export these flyers. So head over right here to your share option and then click onto this download option, and then for the PNG you need to make sure that your file type is PNG because it's best for complex images and illustration. And for the size, it will only be 1 times because you don't want to duplicate for it, and it will actually double or triple the quality for that. Now in here you can also utilize transparent background, but that's not necessary for this poster, so just choose that. And you can select the pages that you want to download. For this one, I'll download both of these pages right here. Now click onto this download option in order to download this together. Once we have done that, it will be downloaded. Now as you can see, those are uploaded or downloaded already. So by the way, I actually attach a free template that you can download and use right away on the description below. There is no stress and no guesswork anymore. Just customize, share, and wow your audience with the template that I have attached. And if you're loving this kind of easy and time-saving Canva content, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for even more tips, tricks, and free resources. So see you again into our next video. Stay safe.